it's Anya, and today I really want to make some jumbo honey muffins. It's perfect for breakfast with some butter spread on it, or just a simple snack. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 2 cups of flour, add in a half a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, add in 1 whole egg, a quarter cup honey. I use organic honey, a quarter cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 1 cup of milk. Mix until everything is well combined. Add in the dry ingredients in 3 batches. Mix until smooth. Pour your mixture into a greased muffin tin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. These honey muffins are golden all around. And they are so light and fluffy inside.